Okay, so you've made your first Lightboard video at this point, I hope. This is the important part of cleaning it. You'll need a couple of things to do this. So you need one of these, and some paper towel. But essentially it's no more difficult than cleaning a whiteboard when you finished your lesson. You give it a liberal spray of this stuff, our spray and wipe, and give it a second to sink in if you like. And then basically you're just going to be using this squeegee to, as best as you can, do a bit of a direction like that. I'll obviously need to rub it a bit more closely than that to get it properly happening. But basically that's all we do, just so you can see what it looks like. And then obviously I'd need to leave it on a couple more times than that to get it to sink in properly. But that's the motion that you make, and then the paper towel is just to clean up the runoff that pulls at the bottom of the board. Ideally you're writing on the side with the wood on it, because then it has a little bit of a lip and you can clean it up there. But you can see it comes off really easily, and it will look very smudgy when you're finished, or even while you're doing it. But keep in mind that that's easy to fix by changing the amount of lights that are turned on, or by fixing it up in post-production. And that's how you do it.